Namaste. Welcome to day 17 of Mindfulness Meditation Challenge. I hope you are enjoying all the meditation videos and following them every single day. And today we are going to do a mindful eating exercise or a mindful eating meditation. And for that, you will need either a strawberry or a grape, or you can also get a small chocolate or a small piece of banana. And anything that is small that you can take a bite of is fine for this meditation. I'm going to use this strawberry. So what I want you to do is sit straight in front of a table or wherever you can put a bowl of fruit in, and sit straight. And now I want you to take that fruit in your hands, and then with your full awareness, notice the fruit that you have in your hand. Notice the color. Feel the texture. Make sure your hands are clean for this one. Notice the texture. See if it feels hot or cold. I took this out of a fridge right now and washed it, so it's kind of cold. So notice what temperature your fruit is right now. As you look at this strawberry, notice what is happening inside your body. Do you feel that you're salivating more, that you feel like you want to eat it? Does this remind you of something? Do you have memories attached to strawberries that come up? Maybe a strawberry picking that you went with your family, or maybe a hill station that you went to. That's what I'm remembering, is a hill station where we went to back in India, in the mountains, and there used to be strawberry farms over there and a very beautiful strawberry ice cream. So that's what I thought of right now. You might have different memories attached to the fruit that you are holding right now. So whatever that memory comes to you, just notice it. And then with your full attention and awareness, just take a bite. Close your eyes and take a bite. And before eating it fully, just notice how it feels in your tongue. And I'm keeping it on the side so I can talk while doing this exercise. So take a bite and let the strawberry be on your tongue and notice the juices that are coming in. Notice if they are sweet, bitter, tangy, salty, based on whatever that you're eating, sweet. Notice all those different tastes that you can taste on the tongue. And notice the feeling of happiness of eating that fruit that you are eating. And then slowly take bites. And savor the bite. Before you take the next bite, think of all the places that the strawberry might have been for it to be able to come to you right now in this moment for you to eat. Maybe somebody had seeds or roots that they planted. They watered it daily. The plant got sun, it got all the manure it needed, got plant food, enough water, enough sunlight. And then different flowers bloomed on the strawberry plant. And from the flowers came these strawberries. First they were green and it took some time for them to become red. And then all these strawberries, including the one that you are eating, was picked carefully, packed carefully, shipped carefully, placed in the store carefully, sold to you carefully. And now you have it in your hand and you are eating it. And maybe the supply chain of how your fruits came from is different. But take this time to notice that supply chain. And then thank everybody in that chain. Thank the farmer, the hands that planted the plant, the hands that picked the fruit, the hands that transported the fruit, the hands that sold the fruit. And also thank your hands that washed the fruit and carefully took a bite and savored it. For you to have a small bite of a fruit, so many people have to do their things right. Bring that sense of immense gratitude towards this entire supply chain that is working tirelessly for you to have food in your hand. And notice your heart expand with gratitude. So many people worked hard to make you feel happy for eating that one piece of fruit. And sometimes we don't even take enough time to savor this fruit. We just eat it quickly and then run to do whatever we want. Or most of the times we work and we are working and we are eating. We are not thankful for whatever that's going on, and then we move on to other things, right? So taking this time mindfully and savoring a small bite of fruit is all it takes for you to be mindful and aware in that moment. You can do this while sipping tea or coffee or hot chocolate. You can do this even while sipping water. You can do this while eating fruits or even your daily normal meal. Imagine how beautiful you will feel if you give all your attention to your entire meal every single day, to every meal every single day. And that might be too much to ask. You might not have that much time to slow down. But slowing down for that one bite and bringing that mindfulness inside of you can help you become so aware and so grateful for all the things that are happening for you to just be here and eat this fruit. It's so amazing, right? When you have that awareness, and with so much awareness, we are eating this right now. So see how that awareness can cultivate gratitude in our life. And that is what mindfulness is helping us do in this particular meditation, is show us that gratitude in our moment. Now take the remaining time to savor the fruit. Subscribe to this video, this channel. Share this video with your friends. And register for this meditation challenge and get all 21 videos in your inbox for the next 21 days. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.